All right, it's walk around time. Here we've got a 2015 Ford F-450, silver in color, with 103,032 miles on it. It has a brand new 6.8 V10 from the factory with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty from the Ford house. It is 4-wheel drive, and it is a super cab. It is a super clean truck. Let's walk around, take a look. It has tinted windows. It has a really nice service body on the back. It is a Texas truck. It does have a Liberator 4,000-pound crane on it, and it does have a wireless remote, which is inside of the truck. We'll look at it in just a minute. I have personally used everything on this truck. Everything works as it should. I mean, this truck turned out super good. The photos of it look really good. Let's look at the drawers. So this truck comes with drawer packs. As you can see. And so on. Drawer packs in there as well. I need to hook the chains back up, but it has drawer packs in there as well. Bend in here. It also has the compartment back here in the bumper. It has manual outriggers. That's where your battery storage and where your crane mounts. Here's the type of bed it is, inspection, serial number, and etc. Drawer packs in this drawer as well. Same thing on this side as well. Really nice service body. All the locks lock on it well. Here's the inside of it. The inside of it looks practically brand new. It is a used truck, but you sure can't find a nicer one than this. That dirt's just from me moving it around the lot. That right there is a backup camera. It's got power windows, power locks. That's the information on it. Let me shut these drawers. Fire it up. It is 4-wheel drive. And there's your 4-wheel drive on the floor. She is fired up. no check engine lights, everything works as it should. To get in contact with me, you can leave a comment on this video, or you can message me at makingmovesup@gmail.com. Y'all have a nice one.